Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking the iPhone and opening settings, go directly to Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode when prompted, because changes to lock screen widgets require authentication. Once done, scroll to the Allow Access When Locked section. This is where lock screen elements are controlled. Make sure you stay on the passcode screen until you finish and do not exit mid-change, because failing to authenticate will prevent removing the time widget. Once authenticated, navigate to lock screen or widget settings depending on iOS version. You need to view active widgets. Tap Customize or Widgets to reveal the list of items that appear on the lock screen and look specifically for the time widget entry. Tap the time widget to open its options. Some versions show a remove or toggle control. If you don't see a separate time widget, use Edit to remove any clock complication or third-party widget occupying the clock area. You now remove the time widget by toggling it off or tapping Remove, then confirm any prompts. After you exit settings, lock the iPhone and check the lock screen to ensure the time no longer appears in that widget slot. If the time persists, restart the device and check again, because caches can hold old layouts. Make sure iOS is updated, since interface differences affect widget controls. If still stuck, reset lock screen layout in settings to restore default options and try removal again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.